In Series DM Session 7 titled, Experience of Faith, participants are encouraged to deepen their experiential understanding of faith, focusing on spiritual maturity and discernment. The session begins with a prayer for revelation and understanding, setting the stage for a study that aims to bridge theological knowledge with experiential engagement. The main topics include the experiential aspects of faith, personal prayer, and spiritual growth. Scripture references, such as Hebrews 11 and Ephesians, are used to highlight the transformative power of God's grace and its manifestation in believers' lives. Participants are exhorted to cultivate spiritual faculties like discernment and boldness to align their lives with God's will. Practical directives are provided for integrating these spiritual insights into daily life, emphasizing the need for a personal relationship with God through consistent prayer and study. Encouragement is given to recognize and testify to God's grace in everyday moments, seek unity within the faith community, and engage in active co-participation with God's ongoing work. The session concludes with a call to embrace the fullness of God's grace and to yield completely to His transformative power.